Hi everyone. Hi Ritik. कैसन बा? एकदम बढ़िया मजामा. So hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So as you all know, we have started sample paper 3, in which we have already solved 1 mark question, 3 mark question, 4 mark question. So today we will be solving 6 marks question. आज अपन लोग क्या करेंगे? We will solve 6 marks question. And I hope that all of you have now registered for V.O.T.E, because now we have only 1 day left, that is 18th April. और ये सिर्फ एग्जाम नहीं है, ये comeback है. So your comeback moment starts now with V.O.T.E. So make a comeback this year with Vedantu online talent exam, because this is free exam. There will be no charges to participate in this. Also, by participating in V.O.T.E, you guys can get all India rank. You can get guaranteed scholarship from a pool of rupees 500 crore. Also, you can win exciting prizes daily worth rupees 1 crore. And the most amazing thing, that you can get a chance to become CEO of Vedantu for 1 full day. Also, you can win a trip to NASA. So you can win all these exciting prizes by participating in V.O.T.E. So you can win. Hi Samita. You can win mobile phone, watches, laptop, telescope, drone, and many other exciting prizes. And for that, you have to register yourself for V.O.T.E. If you don't know how to register yourself, then let me tell you that we have provided all the link in the description box below. Hi Kajal. So go to that description box and go to the link and enter your necessary details like name, grade, board and target. Then after entering your details, click on register. So once you click on register, your voter ID card will be generated. मैम लॉकडाउन में भी आप हमारे लिए प्रेजेंट हो? बिल्कुल प्रेजेंट है. So once your voter ID card is generated, then you have to pick up your voting days, that on which day you want to give a vote. So now you have to select 18th April and then it's all done. So you are registered for V.O.T.E by following only these 3 simple steps. And if you guys still don't have complete details about V.O.T.E, or if you want to know more about V.O.T.E, then you can either check out our website or you can download a mobile app for the complete information. Thank you Samita, thank you so much. So this is how you guys can register yourself for V.O.T.E. Now many of the students, they are worried about the exam pattern, about the exam format. Hi Sayyad. So let me tell you the exam format. There will be total 3 subjects: accounts, business studies and economics. Every subject will have 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. Every right answer will give you 4 marks and every wrong answer will give you -1. So हमें अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे बोल नहीं करना. We have to answer every question wisely. सोच समझ के आंसर देना है, क्योंकि हर गलत आंसर के -1 होंगे. Also the time duration will be 90 minutes. So you will be getting 1.5 hours to attempt this paper. So this will be the exam format. Now, if you don't want to participate alone, then we have a solution for that also. So you guys, you can play and participate along with your friends. What you have to do is, you have to create your own squad. So invite your friends and create squad with them so that you can participate together and you can win big and exciting prizes together. So this is how you all can participate for V.O.T.E. Hi Uttam, my aim is to become an economist and I have finished my 10th and waiting for the results. So can you give me any suggestions? So you have to opt commerce stream in class 11th and 12th if you want to become economist, and then after that you can go for BA honors in economics. You can in graduation go in particular field of economics. Right now you have to opt commerce stream in class 11th. So now starting with our today's session, guys. This is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having 5 more classes. At 4 p.m. of business studies, at 5 p.m. of economics, at 6 p.m. of business studies, at 7 p.m. of accountancy class 12th new batch, and at 8 p.m. of mathematics. So this is your schedule for today. And I hope that you all know that this is class 12th accountancy session, and this session is for those students who will be now appearing for boards. जिन लोगों के अब बोर्ड्स होने वाले हैं उनके लिए है ये सेशन. So guys, if you are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce and make sure that you hit the like button below and you share this along with your friends. So जल्दी से जाओ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, इस वीडियो को लाइक करो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो. Also, if you want to receive our notes in the PDF form, then you have to join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link of this group is also provided in the description box below. So now let's start our today's session, that is sample paper solving accountancy. So we are going to continue our sample paper solving, and in this session we will be solving 6 marks question of sample paper 3. So now tell me, are you guys ready for this session? Are you guys ready? Yes or no? Divyanshu, why you are not ready? Those who are not ready, please get ready, or otherwise you may leave the session. You may leave the session, Divyanshu, if you are not ready. So let's start our session with the general instructions. As I have told you that the general instructions, they are very important. So first we have to read the general instructions and then we will start doing the questions. So general instruction, they are saying that question number 19, question number 20 and question number 32, they are long answer type questions. So these are 3 questions that will be of 6 marks and they are carrying 6 marks each. So basically there will be 3 questions of 6 marks. Question number 19, question number 20 and question number 32. Hi Shivam. So starting with question number 19. Sarita, we will be starting it from Monday. Hello Shivam. Hi Satvik. The 11th batch, it will be starting from Monday. So now starting with the 6 mark sample paper question. And here we have our first question, guys. At what time? The accountancy session will be at 3 p.m. And the rest of the subject, it will be informed to you very soon. Yes, of course, we will be teaching mathematics also. We will be teaching all the subject accountancy, business studies, economics and mathematics to class 11 students commerce. Okay. So, let's see this question now. Receipt and payment account of Shankar Sports Club is given below. we are having the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Hi Karan, we have already started the new batches for class 12 and we have already completed the first chapter NPO, and the classes are daily at 7 p.m. in the evening. So do join us at 7 p.m. today, because today we will be starting a new chapter, your second chapter, partnership. Hi Kanchan. So this is your receipt account. With the receipt account, some additional information is given. Now we have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. So we have to prepare only income and expenditure account, because in 6 marks only income and expenditure account will come. Hi Palak. So from the receipt and payment account, we have to prepare income and expenditure account, and this additional information is given to us. Now first of all, we will look at the receipt and payment account, and then we will go to the additional information. So I have to be invisible. So I will be not visible for the next 2 minutes because I have to write down here. We are preparing what? We are preparing income and expenditure account. This is your expenditure side, this is income. So expenditure, amount, income, amount. Now we will look at the receipt side first, and then we will go to the payment side. So on the receipt side, we have opening cash in hand. It is not recorded in the income and expenditure account, because income and expenditure account, it does not have any opening balance. Then we have entrance fees. So entrance fees, yes, it will be recorded in the income and expenditure account on the credit side. So by entrance fees, we will record it on the credit side. So is it mentioned about? No. So we will record entrance fees on the credit side. Now coming on to the donation for building. So this donation for building, it is specific purpose donation. It is capital receipt. Capital receipt, they are not recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have locker rent. So yes, it will be recorded in the income and expenditure account by locker rent. Entrance fees was 3,200. Locker rent is 1,200. Then we have life membership fees. So life membership fees, this will also be not recorded, because this is capital receipt. This is capital receipt. So capital receipt, it is not recorded in the income and expenditure account. So this will not be recorded. Then we have profit from entertainment. So this is revenue receipt. It will be recorded in the income and expenditure account by profit from entertainment. It is how much? 3,000. So as you can see, we have recorded entrance fees, we have recorded profit from entertainment, and we have recorded locker from rent. Then we have subscription. So we will record subscription also. By subscription, it is 40,000. Hi Samarth, no, this is not for class 11. It will be starting from Monday, Samarth. So now we have recorded all the receipt on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Now, after recording the receipt, we will come to the payment side. So first we have rent. So yes, rent will be recorded on the debit side. Then we have wages. So yes, wages will be recorded on the debit side. So you can see here in the income and expenditure account, this is the solution. We have recorded rent. We have recorded wages. Then the next item in the payment side is billiard table. So this table, it is purchase of asset. This is what? This is purchase of asset. This is capital expenditure. So it will be not recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have furniture. This is again purchase of asset. So this will be also not recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have interest. So yes, interest will be recorded. Interest will be recorded. So to rent, to wages, to interest. These items will be recorded on the debit side of income and expenditure account. Then we have postage. So yes, postage will be recorded. To postage 1000. Then we have salary. So yes, salary will be recorded on the debit side 24,000. Hi Ujjwal. Anjali, it will be starting from Monday. बेटा Monday से start होंगी. So अब हमने सारी पेमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड कर ली और हमने सारी रिसिप्ट रिकॉर्ड कर ली. तो आप देखते हैं इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. You can see that we have recorded entrance fees on the credit side, locker rent on the credit side, profit from entertainment on the credit side, subscription on the credit side. So we have recorded all the receipt. Then we have recorded all the payment like rent, wages, interest, postage and salary on the debit side because they all are expenses. Hi Tanishk. So after recording all the receipt and all the payment, we will go to the additional information. अब हमको क्या करना है? हमें additional information को पढ़ना है. So the first additional information is subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016 is 1200. So 2016 it is your previous year and 2300 is outstanding on 31st March 2017. 2017 is your current year. So subscription outstanding for previous year is 1200 and for current year it is 2300. So subscription outstanding for previous year it will be subtracted and subscription outstanding for current year it will be added. So we will subtract 1200. You can see subscription 40,000 less outstanding for previous year 1200. We have subtracted 1200 and we have added outstanding subscription of current year 2300. So you will subtract 1200 and you will add 2300, after which your final answer is 41,100. Hi Dawn, the new batches for class 12th has already started and the timings are 7 p.m. If you are looking for the new batches of class 11, then it will be starting from Monday. So we have made the adjustment for the subscription. We have made the adjustment for subscription. Now after subscription, it is said that opening stock of postage stamp opening stock of postage is 300 and closing stock is 200. So we have opening stock of consumable item and we have closing stock of consumable item. So in the income and expenditure account, on the debit side, you will add the opening stock and you will subtract the closing stock. So in the income and expenditure account, on the debit side, in postage, you will add opening stock and you will subtract closing stock. So 1000 plus 300, 1300. 1300 minus 200, it is 1100. So this is the cost of consumable item, 1100. Then in the same point, it is mentioned that, in the same paragraph, it is mentioned that rent 1500 is related to 2016. Rent 1500, it is related to previous year 1500. And 1500 is still unpaid, it is outstanding. So 1500 is related to previous year and current year rent is outstanding 1500. So previous year rent will be subtracted and current year outstanding rent will be added. So we will subtract 1500 and we will add 1500. So add outstanding for current year 1500 and subtract outstanding for previous year 1500. So 18,000 plus 1500 minus 1500, it will be 18,000. It will be 18,000. हाय नेहा, मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? So this was the adjustment for rent. Previous year rent is subtracted and current year outstanding rent, it is added. Then coming on to the next point. So on April 1, the club owned furniture. On April 1, the club owned furniture and furniture was valued at 22,500 on the year end. So we will do nothing with this because we are only preparing income and expenditure account. So nothing will be done with this information. Then the last line is the club took a loan of 20,000 at 10% per annum in 2017. So there is what? There is loan. So you have to pay interest on this loan. We have to pay interest on this loan. So 20,000 multiplied by rate of interest 10%. Interest will be 2,000. 10% of 20,000 will be 2,000. So this will be recorded on the expenditure side. So interest on the debit side of income and expenditure account 2,000. So now we have recorded each and every information. हमने सब कुछ record कर लिया है. So it's time to find out the balancing figure. You will do the total of both these sides. So do the total of debit side. Total of debit side is 54,600 and do the total of credit side. Just a minute. Do the total of credit side. So total of credit side is 48,500. Total of debit side is 54,600. Total of credit side is 48,500. So the balancing figure, it is deficit of 6,100. The balancing figure is deficit of 6,100. So this is your income and expenditure account, which is asked for 6 marks. Am I not visible? Okay. Now tell me, is this question clear to all of you? Yes or no? ओके नेहा, बस ज्यादा मजे मत लेना, बोर्ड्स हो गए तो भारी पड़ जाएगा. So now tell me, is this question clear to all of you? Yes or no? Clear? Okay, I hope that this question is now clear to everyone. So coming on to our next question, which is from the chapter Issue of Debentures. अगला क्वेश्चन कौन से चैप्टर से है? इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर से. यस नेहा? श्योर नेहा? ओके. So let's read this question. A Limited issued 2000 debentures of 100 each on the following term. That on application 20 rupees will be received, on allotment 20 rupees will be received, on first call 30, on final call 30. So this is how the application, allotment, first call and second call will be received. Now the public applied for 2400 debentures. So you have issued 2000 debentures and the applications are received for 2400 debentures. So this is over subscription. We have to prepare over subscription table. Application for 1800 debentures were accepted in full. Application for 1800 debentures were accepted in full. Applications for 400 debentures were allotted 200 debentures. And application for 200 debenture were rejected. So yes, it's over subscription. So first of all, we have to prepare over subscription table. We have to prepare over subscription table. So let us prepare over subscription table. The first column will be applied. Then it will be allotted. We have more space, just a minute. First column will be applied. Then it will be allotted. Then it will be application received, then application due, then excess, then allotment due, then allotment due, then adjusted in allotment, and the last column will be bank. So those who applied for 1800, they were accepted in full. It means 1800 debentures have been allotted to them. Those who applied for 400, they have been issued 200 debentures. And those who applied for 200, they were rejected. So total application received were 2400 and total application, total debentures issued are 2000. Total debentures allotted are 2000. Now on application money we are receiving 20 rupees. On application money we are receiving 20 rupees. So we will receive application money. Sorry, the table is not there. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute, let me prepare this again. $1800 were allotted 1800, 400 were allotted 200, and 200 were allotted nil. So application money is 20. Ma'am, I am just asking question. How am I spamming? Because you are writing something continuously, na? That's why you are spamming. So, application money is received on the applied number of debenture. Application money is received on the applied number of debenture. So, applied number of debentures are 1800. So, 1800 multiplied by 20, application money received is 36,000. Then 400 multiplied by 20, application money received is 8,000. Then 200 multiplied by 20, application money received is 4,000. So this is application money received. The total application money received is 48,000. The total application money received is 48,000. Good evening, Piyush. Then application money due. So application money becomes due on allotted number of debenture. So allotted number of debentures are 1800. 1800 multiplied by application multiplied by 20. Application due is 36,000. Then 200 debentures multiplied by 20. Application due is 4,000. Then it is nil, it is 0. So 0 multiplied by 20, it will be 0. So no application is due on this third category. So total application due is 40,000. Total application due is 40,000. Now we will find out the excess amount. So application money received minus application money due. 36,000 minus 36,000, it is 0. 8,000 minus 4,000, it is 4,000. 4,000 minus 0, it is 4,000. So this is excess money received at the time of application. Now we will check that how much allotment money is due. So allotment will be also due on the allotted number of debenture. So allotted are 1800. Allotment is of 2 rupees. So 1800 multiplied by 2, allotment due is 36,000. Then 200 multiplied by 20, allotment due is 4,000. Then nil, 0 multiplied by 20, allotment due is 0. Now, once you have calculated allotment due, you will adjust the excess amount. You will adjust the excess amount towards allotment. This excess amount will be adjusted towards allotment. So, in the first category, there is no excess. कुछ भी excess नहीं आया तो adjust भी कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Since excess is 0, so nothing will be adjusted towards allotment. In the next category, excess amount is 4,000 and allotment due is also 4,000. So the whole excess, the full excess will be adjusted towards allotment. In the third category, the excess is 4,000 but allotment due is 0. Allotment due is 0. So you cannot adjust it in the allotment because allotment due is 0. So this excess in the third category, it will be refunded through bank. It will be refunded through bank. So this is your oversubscription table. This is your oversubscription table. Now we will pass the journal entries. So first entry will be bank account debit to percentage debenture application account. So how much application money is received? Application money received is 48,000. Application money received is 48,000. Then the second entry will be percentage debenture application account debit to percentage debentures account to debenture allotment account to bank account. So total application money received was 48,000, but application money due is only 40,000. So 2% debenture, you will only transfer 40,000 to percentage debenture because application due is 40,000. Then the amount adjusted in allotment is 4,000. So to debenture allotment 4,000 and 4,000 is refunded through bank. So to bank 4,000. To bank 4,000. No, we don't write it refund. We have to write it bank. In the table you can write it refund, but in the journal entry you have to write it as bank always. Now after the application entry, we will pass the journal entry for allotment. So first allotment will become due. So journal entry will be percentage debenture allotment account debit to percentage debentures account. Debenture allotment account debit to percentage debenture account. How many debentures we have issued? 2,000 and allotment is of 20 rupees. So 2,000 debentures multiplied by 20, allotment due is 40,000. You can also find it from here. Allotment due, the total allotment due is 40,000. So allotment due is 40,000. Then we will pass the journal entry for allotment money received. So bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Allotment due is 40,000. Allotment due is 40,000. But out of this, 4,000 is already adjusted at the time of application. So 40,000 minus 4,000. Now you will receive 36,000 at the time of allotment. So bank account debit to debenture allotment account, the allotment money received will be 40,000. Sorry, 36,000 will be received. So 40,000 minus 4,000, allotment money received is 36,000. So this is your solution, This is your solution. You can see allotment due is 40,000 and allotment money received is 36,000. After allotment, we will pass the journal entry for first call, which will be normal journal entry. Debenture first call account debit to percentage debenture. 2,000 debenture multiplied by 30, it will be 60,000. Then you will receive full first call money. So bank account debit to debenture first call 60,000. And same journal entry will be passed for final call. Debenture final call debit to percentage debenture. 2,000 debenture multiplied by 30, 60,000. And then you will receive final call money. Bank account debit to debenture final call 60,000 rupees. So this is your question from the chapter issue of debenture, which is of 6 marks. What about part C? Which part C, Dashmit? Part C of what? I'm not getting it. So now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? Yes or no? Yes, Kanchan. What about others? Yes, Neha, your messages are visible. मैम आई थॉट ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन सिर्फ शेयर्स में होता है, बट आज पता चला डिबेंचर्स में भी होता है डिबेंचर्स में भी. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन योर चैप्टर, इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. So I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now coming on to the next question guys. अब चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. Now coming on to the next question. Just a minute. So this is your last question of 6 marks, through which you have to calculate net cash from operation. We have to calculate cash flow from operating activity. We have to calculate cash flow from operating activity. Now you can see that operating profit after provision for tax of 1,53,000 is given 6,28,000. Operating profit is given means current year profit is given 6,28,000 and provision for tax is also given 1,53,000. So current year profit is 6,28,000. Provision for tax is 1,53,000. Also, proposed dividend for current year is given 72,000. Proposed dividend for the current year is given 72,000. Let me align it, guys. Just a second. Yes. Hi Nitesh. So now we will first of all calculate net profit before tax. As I have already told you, before starting the question of cash flow statement, we have to first calculate net profit before tax. So current year profit is given 6,28,000. In this you will add PITP. We have to add provision for tax. We have to add proposed dividend. We have to add interim dividend. And we have to add transfer to reserve. These 4 items are added in the current year profit to find out net profit before tax. Now provision for tax is given 1,53,000 and proposed dividend is also given 72,000. So you will add provision for tax and proposed dividend in the current year profit. And after adding this, your answer will be 8,53,000. Your answer will be 8,53,000. So this is your net profit before tax. Net profit before tax, it is 8,53,000. It is 8,53,000. Now, after getting the net profit before tax, once you have calculated net profit before tax, you have to add non-cash and non-operating expenses, and you have to subtract non-cash and non-operating income. So non-cash and non-operating expenses are to be added and non-cash and non-operating income are to be subtracted. Expenses को add कर देंगे और income को minus कर देंगे. So now we will look at the question again. In question we have depreciation. So depreciation, it is non-cash expense. It will be added in the net profit before tax. Then we have loss on sale of machinery. So it is again non-operating expense. It is non-operating expense. It will be added. Then we have profit on sale of investment. Profit on sale of investment, it is non-operating income. So income are subtracted. Then we have dividend received on investment. Dividend received, it is non-operating income. It will be subtracted. Then we have decrease in current asset. We will make the adjustment for this later. Then we have increase in current liability. We will do this later. Increase in current asset. We will do this later. Decrease in current liability. We will do this later. We have income tax paid. This is subtracted at the end of the operating activity. Income tax paid, it is subtracted at the end from the operating activity. And we have refund of income tax. So first of all, we will subtract refund of income tax because this is non-operating income. And then in the end of operating activity, you will add it. So normally, ऐसे questions नहीं आते. Normally, refund of income tax will not come in your question in your paper, but still we have to practice such type of question. So refund of income tax, this is a little new for us. This will be first added, this will be first subtracted, this will be first subtracted when you will be subtracting non-operating income. पहले आप इसको minus करोगे and then at the end you will add it. So let's see our answer. You can see your net profit before tax is 8,53,000. We have calculated this. Now we will add non-operating and non-cash expenses. So depreciation will be added. Loss on sale of machinery will be added. And we will subtract non-operating income. So profit on sale of investment minus, dividend received on investment minus, and I have told you this, that income tax refund, first you will subtract it. So we will subtract income tax refund. So we are adding depreciation and loss on sale, and we are subtracting profit on sale of investment, in dividend received on investment, and income tax refund. So in 8,53,000, you will add 1,70,000 and you will subtract 29,000. So 8,53,000 plus 1,70,000, it is 10,23,000, from which you will subtract 29,000. So the answer is 9,94,000. Now this is your operating profit before working capital changes. This is your operating profit before working capital changes. Now we will make the adjustment for current assets and current liability. Now we will make the adjustment for current asset and current liability. So decrease in current asset. Your current asset is decreasing. It is a loss for you. And losses are added in the operating activity. So 10,000 will be added. Then we have increase in current liability. Your liability is increasing. It is again a loss for you. So this will be also added. Then we have increase in current asset. Your asset is increasing, which is a profit. So profit are subtracted. So 6 lakh will be subtracted. Then we have decrease in current liability. Your liability is decreasing, which is again a profit. So it will be subtracted. Hi Adarsh, a very good evening. Hi Om, a very good evening. Hi Akshat, a very good evening. Hi Sayan, a very good evening. So we will add 10,000 and 1,51,000 and we will subtract 6,64,000. So we will add 10,000 and 1,51,000 and we will subtract 6,64,000. So in 9,94,000 we will add 1,61,000 and we will subtract 6,64,000. So after adding and subtracting this, your cash generated from operation is 4,91,000. Your cash generated from operation is 4,91,000. Now we will subtract income tax paid. Now we will subtract income tax paid, because I have told you we have to subtract this at the end. So now this is the end. So you will subtract income tax paid and you will add refund of income tax. Because if you are paying income tax 1,18,000 and there is a refund of income tax 3,000. So it means the net income tax paid is 1,15,000. अगर आपने 1,18,000 रुपए पे करे और 3,000 का रिफंड आ गया, it means that the net amount paid by us is 1,15,000. So you can calculate this net amount, or you can directly subtract the 1,18,000 and you can add refund of income tax. So it's all your choice. आप directly इसको minus कर दो या फिर आप income tax paid को minus कर दो और refund को add कर दो. So we are doing what? We are subtracting income tax paid and we are adding a refund of income tax so that we get the net amount. So subtract 1,18,000 and add 3,000. So 4,91,000 minus 1,18,000 plus 3,000. Your answer is 3,76,000. This is your net cash flow from operating activity. So this is your answer, and this was for 6 marks. So we have done similar types of question, but what was new in this? Only income tax refund. First you will subtract it and then you will add it. So this is new in this session. Now tell me, is this question clear to all my students? Yes or no? Hi Saithon. Hi Pathan. So is this clear? Pathan, you have joined the session late. You have to see the recorded session again. Kanchan, clear? Okay. Those who have joined the session late, guys, you can see the recorded session on our channel, so don't worry for that. So here we have our final answer. Cash flow from operating activity 3,76,000. Okay, Saithon, so we have already completed one chapter of class 12 and we have started the class 12 new batches at 7 p.m. So you can join us at 7 p.m. Saithon. So with this, our 6 marks question are completed, guys. Now in next session we will be solving 8 marks question. So this has to be continued on Monday at same time 3 p.m. So if you guys want to score good marks in your boards exam, then you can join us on Pro Subscription. We are starting the new batches for class 12 very soon on our platform Vedantu Commerce. So you can join us on that, those who are now coming to class 12 or who will be coming to class 11. And in this Pro Subscription, we are providing some amazing benefits to you that are going to help you for sure in scoring good marks. Because we will be providing you more than 2,000 hours of live online teaching. You can attend all the live session and there will be unlimited classes of all the subjects. Whether it is accounts, whether it is mathematics, economics or business studies. Along with that, we will be providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you and all of them will continuously work They will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. Also, we will be conducting regular test series for you. We will be providing regular assignments to you. And all these classes will be conducted in English only. Are boards for class 12th really tough? No, they are not at all tough. It all depends on your preparation. So, if you want to take this Pro subscription, let me tell you the prices. The actual price of this Pro subscription for 1 month is 1500. The actual price for Pro subscription is 1500 for 2021 batches. And right now we are providing flat 10% discount to you, after which you have to pay only 1350. So these are the prices for 2021 batches. It is 1500, but after discount you have to pay only 1350 for it. And if you want to grab this Pro subscription at flat 10% discount, for that you may use my promo code SCPRO. So go and take this Pro subscription right now so that you can score good marks in your boards exam. And if you guys want to receive the notes in the PDF form, then you have to join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link are also provided in the description box below. Hi Saithon, you scored 88% in class 11th. Well done. Pathan, which book I suggest? I normally suggest D.K. Goyal or T.S. Grewal. So guys, if you are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this phase for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such classes. Also, make sure that you hit the like button and you share this along with your friends. So do like, subscribe and share this. Now see you all in the next class on Monday at same time 3 p.m. Till then, thank you for everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So do like and share this. Now see you all on Monday. Till then, have a good day, guys. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Good night. Have sweet dreams. Bye, everyone.